Finding the subject is usually easy, but not in every type of sentence. If we take an example, open your notebook, full stop. Now, can you find the subject here? So who or what is the main focus point? Or who is expected to this action? That is you. The hidden subject is you. And this is called a command sentence because I'm telling you to do something. Another example, open the door. Or you open the door. So here, hidden subject is you. Now one more example, finish the work. Or you finish the work. Both are same. So here, hidden subject is you only. And these sentences with hidden subject are also called imperative sentences. An imperative sentence are one of the 4 basic sentence types. So take a note of it. The type of sentences, its purpose, and the example. So first, declarative type of sentence. So it tells or statements, like a fact. Example, the boy is reading. Next, interrogative sentence. It asks questions. Example, is the boy reading? Question mark. Next, imperative sentence. Like commands or requests, suggestions, or an advice. Example, read the book, full stop. Or you read the book. Now last one, exclamatory sentence type. These are strong feelings. Example, how well the boy is reading. Ending with exclamatory mark. So remember, the type of a sentence always depends on how we express it. Thank you for watching.